Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a minute. I'm just fooling around in the garage here, and I thought I'd see if we could get this old lantern to light. This old Coleman lantern I got for 25 bucks. And it still has mantles and everything in it. So I was like, shoot, I want to light that up, see if it works. Then I was admiring my Echo 750 chainsaw, trying to figure out how we can get some spark on this bad boy. Look at that beast though. Look at that. Thing is massive, isn't it? It's a beautiful saw. I'm thinking maybe I'll try the coil bake on it. Maybe put the coil in the oven. But yeah, look at that beast. So yeah, I've been fooling around with that. But yeah, I found this lantern for 25 bucks. That's a pretty good deal. This is a 1953, I think. The date's usually on the bottom of these. Oh, there it is. Yeah, 53. There's the date, 53. So yeah, let's take the tags off of it. I'm a sucker for old lanterns. I got a tattoo on the back of my hand. What do you guys think of that? I'm gonna do a sleeve eventually. So yeah, that's still healing, but Christina didn't do that one. Her co-worker Jay did. Some nice traditional work there. So yeah, this thing's rusty and crusty. But yeah, that trips me out. It still has mantles that are intact on it. Usually those fall apart, you know, after sitting for so long and getting beat around. The first thing I want to do is take this. So this thing has the original Coleman Pyrex labeled globe in it. So I'm going to take that. You can see, look at this really nice mint condition one I have. This one's a 58, I think. So what I want to do with that one is I bought one of those aftermarket ones for this. Oh no, that one is this one is a Coleman one. Never mind. Oh yeah, this one's the really early, has a faint Coleman. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in. Never mind. I thought this was an aftermarket one that didn't have. See, look, I got an original mantle packet, so I like to display that in this one. Okay, we'll just leave that one be. And then I found an original remove ball nut below, replace after installing top. Found that in a box. So yeah, that's a nice original 1958. Look at that bad boy. Okay, so back to this guy. We'll leave the globe off. But I think this one's gonna light up. Cause yeah, I checked the pump. The pump works. It holds, well, it doesn't hold pressure because the cap needs a seal. I'll get that off later. But what I did do is got a cap off of one of my other lanterns that has a new seal in it. So let's fuel this thing up and see if it works. I got Kitty with me. He's watching. I took a peek inside the tank and it looks pretty clean. Kitty cat. Okay. So that's the old one. This is the one with the good seal in it. Come on. Make sure that's on there nice and tight. Get this fuel out of here. Okay, let's see if this thing will light up. Give her I always like to give them like 20 pumps at first. We'll open this thing up. I can hear it. And you gotta listen when it starts spitting, you know that it's ready. Not yet. You can hear it hissing though. Oh, there it goes. It's spitting. Let's see if she likes. Come on. Uh-oh, hold on. She lost pressure. She's leaking at the bottom here. Hold on, hold on. It was trying to light. The generator nut was a little loose. Okay, let's try her again. Oh, I guess that one mantle is about half ready to fall apart. Let's see what happens. Oh, there she goes. Oh, look at that. Ah. See this thing, the flipper thing? That's what cleans the needle. Okay, there she goes. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. She's trying. I'm gonna flip it. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, there she goes. Look at that. A 1953 Coleman lantern lives again. Nice. That is so cool. And then the cool thing about these lanterns is when you turn them off, it gives you just enough time to get into your sleeping bag and get to bed for the night. There she goes. Wow, that's cool. It works. All right, guys. Just thought I'd pop in and fool around with this lantern a little bit. Okay, catch you later.